Let's go paddling, shall we? Hey, YouTube, what's up? TR Puffin Stuff here, but you knew that, didn't you? Alright, so it is the end of April. Maybe it's May. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's Tuesday. And I know it's 2019. It's a beautiful day. It's about 85 degrees. Let's go paddling, shall we? Now, it is somewhere near noon. I'm thinking maybe 12:30, maybe 1 o'clock, I'm not sure. Not the best time to go fishing. But this trip isn't really about fishing. This trip is going to be more about paddling and sightseeing. I'm going to be going to the beautiful Lake Murray. So why don't you come along with me for this short trip? It just looks like a truck, doesn't it? Doesn't look like I'm going fishing. Where's my fishing equipment? Ta-da! My Pelican kayak. It's 8 foot, so it fits in the bed of my truck. In the kayak, you will see, I have my life vest. I have my paddles. I have my water shoes. I have my iced tea. I have a cup full of crickets ready to be eaten. I have my fishing pliers. And I have my tackle box.